With more of my redneck ingenuity, I have fixed this window. Check this shit out. Let me flip the camera around here. So this window I took an air conditioner out of that had been there for about 20 years, and there was just a piece of rigid insulation board here for a minute to fix it to plug the hole, because this one is bigger than this one. I had some extra pieces here, and I don't know if you can tell, but these panes of glass are a lot bigger than these panes of glass because this window is bigger than the window that this came out of. So I just took some 2x4, cut it down, fashioned it up all redneck style, and screwed it to the outside of this frame, making that window bigger, and it fits like a fucking dream in there. And not only that, but let me see if I can do this one-handed. It actually opens, as long as it doesn't fucking fall. It actually opens. It's a functioning fucking window. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of myself for that one, because I didn't think that it would actually still function. I thought that it would just be in there, it would look good, but this fucker's good, man. What do you guys think? Redneck ingenuity, it's the best, huh?